Hello everyone, I'm Jay, and welcome back to English Life. In today's lesson, I'd like to teach you the pronunciation of WH plus do or does questions. Last week, I taught you the pronunciation of do or does questions. If you missed that video, please go back and practice that first. You can find a link to that video here. Before we begin, please don't forget to hit the notification bell to get our latest videos on English pronunciation. Now sit back and get ready to start asking these questions in English today. Let's give it a try. Where do you work? When we ask the question, we reduce do you to doya. Where do you work? Where do you work? Where do you work? At home. What do you do? Just like before, do you reduces to doya. So we would ask, what do you do? What do you do? What do you do? I'm a teacher. How do you like it? Just like before, do you reduces to doya. And like in this question means to describe how you feel about your job. How do you like it? How do you like it? How do you like it? I really like it. Where does she work? Does she doesn't reduce, so we just ask, where does she work? Where does she work? Where does she work? At the supermarket. What does she do? What does she do? What does she do? She's a cashier. How does she like it? How does she like it? How does she like it? It's okay. What does he do? What does he do? What does he do? He's a police officer. How does he like it? How does he like it? How does he like it? It's stressful, but he really likes it. Where do they work? When we ask this, do they reduces to do they. So it would become, where do they work? Where do they work? Where do they work? In a store. What do they do? What do they do? What do they do? They're sales clerks. How do they like it? How do they like it? How do they like it? They hate it. Did you find this video helpful? I upload videos every week on English pronunciation. I have other videos you can practice here. Please don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, this is Jay signing off. See you again real soon. Goodbye.